Hey everybody, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today I have a special treat for you, especially if you love motorcycles and you love puppies, then you have come to the right place. Today we're heading over to Playdog Excellent, I'll explain in a moment, to attend Lacey Lou's final puppy class. Alright, the place that we are heading is Playdog Excellent in Red Bank, Tennessee. It is a doggy daycare, and they also have like obedience classes and all different types of training classes and that type of thing. So if you don't know anything about me, one of the things you should know is that outside my family, I am really passionate about my dogs and motorcycling, right? Those two things are like my favorite things in the world. And Dixie, I have a 9-year-old boxer. She has been attending Playdog Excellent since she was a little tiny puppy. So she's been going there a long time. So we have a long relationship with these people over here. And man, they take excellent care of our dogs. Dixie's older now, so I only send her to daycare about 1 day a week. But Lacey goes, 2 to 3 days a week, and she absolutely loves it. Now, Lacey is our English Bulldog, and I think she's probably maybe 7-8 months old at this point. So she has finished one obedience class at Playdog Excellent, and tonight is her second one. So we're going to take the bike over there tonight, link up with my wife, and meet up with her and Lacey, and we're going to attend the class and make some video footage. So I'm curious, guys, do we have any other dog people watching this video? I would love to know it. Again, I'm crazy about dogs, much more so than I am people. So maybe tell me your dog's name and what breed you have and the pup's age in the comments below. That'd be fantastic. So it may have been a while since I've given you guys a health update on Dixie. We were running into some pretty major health scares there for a while. So she was able to see a puppy cardiologist, and this guy was awesome. Oh my goodness gracious, he was awesome. And so we think we have her medication in check that she needs. So we're starting to see her bounce back, but she has good days and she has bad days and that type of thing. And she was having some spells where she would just pass out, so that still occasionally happens, but her health is substantially improved, and she is doing much better. Go Team Dixie. I'll tell you what's funny to me about our two dogs is, Dixie's the boxer, and she really has personal space issues, and she doesn't really like people all that much. She has her people, and anybody outside of the her people circle, she just, it's not really her thing. And Lacey, our Bulldog, is the social butterfly, man. She loves people, and anytime she sees a person, she thinks that they showed up just for her, and it's time to give kisses and butt wags and all that stuff. So but what's funny about it is you got the really introverted kind of grumpy boxer, and she hangs out with me most of the time, and then you have the extroverted Bulldog who loves people, and she hangs out with my wife most of the time. So it's kind of like they're taking on each of our personalities. All right, our turn is right over here on the left. There, buddy. So there's a cutie right there, and then there's that Bulldog. Hi, Lacey Lou. What you doing? What you doing, Lacey? What you doing, Lacey Lou? I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. How are you? It's been forever since we've seen each other. It's hot, baby. Watch out. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm carrying this big old chunk of dog to her crate in the car. She has little legs and it's hard to walk far. It's also hard to carry her. Man, she's getting heavy. Okay, in you go. Get her in there. Bye. So now Lacey, Lou, and Mrs. Cooper are driving off. All right, that concludes this episode of Ty from Tennessee. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing those puppies very much. So have a great day, guys, and we will talk to you again soon.